It was the night before Christmas, and all through the place I was staying at, why, no mouses were making no noises, except for my wife Mickey, and she's a rat. The fish nets were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that the big fat guy would soon be there. And me in my nightcap and manner hat, we were running around trying to chase out a bat. Then out on the lawn came one hell of a noise. I looked out the window. It was only the boys. But then what to my wandering eye should appear but a tiny red sleigh and this big slob drinking beer. Yet my mind did work sharp and I sensed it so quick. I knew right away it was my rival, Saint Nick. As I stared even harder, boy, it sure did look queer. But there was Nick's brother kissing his dear. More faster than mouses, the pets that he trained, he whistled and shouted and called them all names. Now Thrasher, now Pusher, now Junkie and Stixon, on Comrade, on Stupid, on Agnew and Nixon. To the top of the porch, to the top of the stall, now dash away, get the hell out of here. What do you think I'm doing sitting here yelling at you stupid thing? Then up on the rooftop I heard it so quick, he fell like a piece of lead, that jolly old Saint Nick. His head was all covered with dirt and his, never mind.